Osoma class?
P3.
I would like to speak some English with you. Do you know how to speak English?
Yes.
Osomera ku somero. Which school do you go to?
St. Ed Junior School.
You mean you go to St. Ed Junior School?
Yes.
What's the name of your director? The name of your director?
I don't know his name.
You don't know her name, eh?
Yes.
So you just call her director?
Yes.
You are in P3. Now, when I add 1 plus 1, what do I get?
2.
What about 1 plus 1 minus 1?
Minus 1. 1 plus.
1 plus 1 minus 1.
1.
I get 1?
Yes.
Ugambe oliwa piki?
P3.
P3.
Yes.
Obulwadde bwa corona mu bumanyi?
Yes.
COVID-19 mumanyi?
Yes.
Buleetebwa kawuka ki? Corona mwakawulirako?
Iye.
Ani ayinza okumbulira twewala tutya corona singa abazze? Corona tumwewala tutya? Kiki tuyinza okukola okwewala obulwadde bwa corona? Jangu wano. Mbulira erinnya lyo.
My name is Magezi Aaron.
You Magezi Aaron?
Yes.
In which school do you go to?
Cornerstone Primary School.
Cornerstone, eh?
Yes.
And now, okay, tell me, what can we do to prevent coronavirus?
We have to get to distancing about another people.
Keeping the distance
Yes.
from
And
everyone, eh?
yes, and
Then
wearing
worries,
mask.
eh?
And wearing
Putting
mask.
on the mask and not putting on just, but putting on properly.
Yes.
The mask.
Yes, when you finish and you can wash it with clothes.
When you do what?
When you finish to wear mask, you can put it there and you wash another one and you put on another one.
So you don't use a mask which is already used, eh?
Yes.
You don't pick masks around. You
No.
have to use a clean mask, okay?
Yes.
What else can we do to prevent corona or COVID-19? Did you hear anything about
That one I don't know another one.
All right. Okay. Abalala manya gamwe gwani erinnya lyo?
My name is Mrs. Kanyana.
Musasi Kanyana. You speak some good English. Oh my God. Which school do you go to?
Then I write.
Oh, that's wonderful. Okay. Which class are you?
Primary 5.
Primary 5. Oh,
Yes.
that's wonderful. Primary 5.
Yeah.
Do you know any sign or symptom that shows that a person can be having COVID-19?
Yes. To be coughing.
Coughing, especially dry cough, eh?
Yeah.
She'll be
And others. Okay. Okay, my friend, what is your name?
Nansuga Crowdy. Nansuga Crowdy.
Nansubuga cold, eh? Now, could you please cite out some of the effects of COVID-19? Because that as a disease, it has come along with some effects. By the way, in which class are you?
P3.
P3, eh? You could have been on knowing the sign, the effects. Do you know some of the effects? You don't know. What do you know about coronavirus or COVID-19? Nothing that you know. Now COVID-19 is a disease that is caused by coronavirus. It is a virus. It causes COVID-19 and it is a pandemic disease. It kills, highly contagious, spreads rapidly and can kill you within a short time, okay? Yeah, so we have to take care by washing hands, putting on the face masks properly, keeping a distance from everyone, okay? And others, okay? So thank you very much. Momuto, erinnya lyo kwa? Osoma?
Iya.
Hey, erinnya lyo kwa?
Gift na mazuri.
How old are you?
Yes.
Eh? Omuto atidde omuzindaalo bannanga abazadde abaana mubawenga ku mizindaalo gino bagirabeko kubanga oyinza okumuwa omuzindaalo omwana n'alyoka adduka emisinde omuto atidde emizindaalo kale tofaayo omuto ye ani gwe sibuuzizzaako njogeddeko naawe. What is your name?
My name is Nampuma Elizabeth.
Elizabeth?
Yes.
Oh, my mother is Elizabeth, so you my mother, all right? In which class are you?
Is primary 4.
Primary 4. How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
10 years old. You go to which school?
St. Ed Junior School.
St. Ed Junior School. What's the name of your director?
I don't know.
You don't know the name of your... How about your class teacher?
My class teacher is teacher
Teacher Viola.
Teacher Viola is your class teacher.
Yes.
Bambi omuto yeerabidde beerabira ebbanga ddene. Olaba n'omusomesa bw'amala okubanga ava mu luwummula addayo nga ne handwriting teteredde bulungi agenda agitereeza munaye mpola mpola naye kakati omuto bambi abadde yeerabidde ne Teacher Viola nti class teacher wo lwaki temukyagenda ku ssomero?
Because of coronavirus.
No, please speak loudly. Everybody wants to know the reason as why you're no longer going to school. Why don't you go to school nowadays?
Because of coronavirus.
Coronavirus?
Yes.
What is coronavirus?
Coronavirus is the disease of
So what you know is a disease. Now coronavirus is a virus which causes a disease known as COVID-19.
19.
That's why you no longer go to school, eh?
Yes.
Naye waka mwekuma bulungi. Please take care. Take care.
Yes.
How do you prevent the infection of coronavirus? At home.
Home.
You wash hands.
Yes. And
You have face masks.
yes.
Don't use a mask that has been used by another person.
Yes.
Is that what you do at home?
Yes.
Oh, that's wonderful. You said your name is who?
Nampima
Nampima
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth. Yes, thank you very much. Abatulaba twongera kubajjukiza bananga abaana twababawa abaana baliyo gye muli abaana mubakuume bulungi nnyo okusoma kuddemu ng'abaana bali bulungi abaana mubazzeemu amaanyi omuzadde ne mubanga tomanyi luzungu funayo akazungu akatono okaseereze ng'olina omwana addemu amaanyi abaana bane mubafunire omuntu ayinza omuzzaamu amaanyi ate n'ekirala abaana mubakuume covid onalemu bakwata bambi omuto alina kyagamba omutaalaajana naye njagadde mumulabe obadde ogamba otya
badde nga musaba president atuzeeyo ku ssomero.
yogera nnyo abantu bawulire.
Badde nsaba president atuzeeyo ku ssomero.
President Museveni abazeeyo ku ssomero.
Iye.
Temukwatibwa obulwadde ku ssomero.
Tujja kwambala masiki.
Mujja kwambala masiki.
N'okunaaba engalo.
N'okunaaba engalo. Mulya mwagala okusoma. Naye kati okyasobola okuwandiika erinnya lyo.
Bulungi nnyo.
Bulungi nnyo. Kale kyawe ne bw'otaddayo kusoma.
Njagala kuddayo soma nfune diguli.
Ofune diguli?
Kale.
Bannange abato balaajana gavumenti basaba mu kusala amagezi gonna bambi baddeyo basome ekyo kibadde tekirekeka mwebale nnyo mwebali ddala temuva Agda live.